Muppets Mayhem album, and this was the most roundabout way to get it. Forgive me, I'm going to read. So as many of you know, this is truly a dream come true for me. And like Kermit says in the Muppet movie, it's the kind of dream that gets better the more people you share it with. I've been very lucky to be able to share this dream with so many amazing people. And now I'm going to list them all, one by one, very generally, from our incredibly pun-tolerant and talented writers, to our allies at ABC Signature and Disney Plus, to Muppet Studios for entrusting us with these characters, to make this show, to our remarkable and hardworking crew, to our incredible cast, who had the daunting task of going face-to-face with Muppets and exceeded every expectation, to our Muppet performers, who are just infinitely talented and my absolute heroes. To our extremely patient editors. Thank you. To our producers, Michael Bostic, for their guidance and their leadership. And most of all, to my partners in crime up here, Bill Barretta, who is not only one of the hardest working people I've ever known, but truly one of the sweetest. You know, it's his hand, it's his voice, but mostly it's his heart. And to Goldberg, my ally, my protector, my teacher, my friend. It was never work. It was literally two kids who were given the keys to the candy shop. Who are now suffering with diabetes. And to my incredible family, Jolie, Max, Molly, who were nothing but loving, understanding, and supportive as they witnessed my roller coaster of a year from a front row seat. I believe they're sitting somewhere in the way far back. I love you guys. And to all of you for letting me now share my dream with you. Sorry, not just you, the lovers, the dreamers, and you. And I'm supposed to say something. Lord.
Jeez. Well, that was beautiful. I don't know what else to add to that. I can't do that. I guess it's been a 30-year ride so far. This has been amazing. The support we've had to do this from everybody, the Muppets Studios and ABC and Disney Plus, and all the people that work so hard because they're so passionate about making something great. And I can't speak without getting choked up. I guess I just want to thank all of our families who are involved in this for hanging in there and waiting for your family member to come home late at night and they're exhausted and probably crabby, and my wife Christina can testify to that. But thank you to the families, I would say, for watching us go through this crazy, unique, unusual, but really fun experience. I hope you love what we've created because it is unique. I hope Jim is very proud.
My son tonight said, "Dad, please don't embarrass me in front of your dad." So I'll take that with me to the rest of my life. Literally in July 4 years ago, Jeff and I first pitched the Little Colonels to Jenny Fritz. And what we heard every step of the way is Muppets is really hard and complicated. And I think because I grew up watching Kermit ride a bike, I didn't know. And this is totally true. The first day of shooting, we're 2 hours in. Our wonderful line producer, Chris Eber, comes. I'm like, Chris, how are we doing? He goes, well, we're 2 hours in and we're 4 days behind. It's totally true. So what I realized is Muppets, as a secret, they don't have a low over half. So for them to walk through a door, there's like 10 people involved. And we wrote some really ambitious stuff.
They walk into a room.
No, wait, they can't walk in there. That was me in the writer's room.
Yeah. I want to thank the performers. They make it look so easy. It was a dream watching them bring this to life. And we'd start to feel bad because the funniest stuff in the show is from them just having fun. And that was the main goal that Jeff and I wanted, is we just wanted the Muppet gang to have fun. And we thought that would come shining through on the screen, and it does. And the second goal hasn't happened yet. Everyone is here because we all love the Muppets. Disney owns the greatest comedic characters. And I was just in Disney World looking for my Muppet merch, and there wasn't any. And I hope that this show, look, there's the Marvel Cinematic Universe. I want the Muppet, comedy universe. I wish Bob Iger was here to see, just to see it, and feel it. Because he's not here. But I hope that everyone in this room, I really hope that this is the start of something special. We took characters that had no eyes and half the band, their eyes are closed. That's what we realized. And the character Lips, he didn't really even have any lines in any in the 50-year history. And we made a whole show around just this weird group of oddballs. And there's so many other characters. And I would say these are better than Marvel characters. Start of something really, really special at Disney. So I hope you enjoy it. We're going to watch 2 episodes, and they just get better and better, so binge them all tomorrow.